everyone, welcome back to Saturday Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys for amazing support, and if you're new, you are welcome. Please don't hesitate to press the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss anything that I'm going to upload next on this channel. Guys, a beautiful episode was presented to us by Mzansi Magic Uthando Nesthembu. Most people feel that or believe that Uthando Nesthembu is scriptured, and in some episode I also believe that, especially when it comes to the issue of wife number 5. Since season 2 bakhuluma ngaye, but we haven't met her, and I even doubt ukuthi ukhona kwaloma khumalo ekhulunywa ngaye kulesi story. Well guys, yesterday episode was about ibirthday kaMpilo, a daughter uMakhumalo azikhulisele yona from the age of 7, not knowing ukuthi she will struggle ukuba nabantwana okungabakhe. Yesterday Makhumalo received a lot of compliment from her fans. Some were even praying for her to have her own children. Indeed guys, Makhumalo did well as Mpilo's stepmother. Mselegu mamkhulu and Mayeni also praised her ngokuba umzali oqotho enganeni yomyeni wakhe. Umselegu even said if kungathiwa kunomuntu oxabana noMakhumalo, ngisho ngabe kuthiwa uyena uyamcela uMpilo ukuthi aside noMakhumalo, ngisho ngabe kuthiwa uMakhumalo wrong. Guys, let's move along to Mayeni's story. As we all know that Mselegu son ukhulisile, and culturally the Mselegu family must pay damages for umntwana. Now Mselegu guys is suggesting they pay the full lobola for umakoti or umama wengane. Umayeni ke guys uthi never akakwazi ukulobolela umuntu na 20, akafuna ukukhalelwa ingane yabantu umpumelelo eseyishile. And guys, for some reasons ngiyamvumela, indoda efuna umfazi ayizilobolele ngoba one day he will tell his wife, my father paid lobola for you, not me. I don't know what is your opinion kule ndaba. Would you advise any parent to pay amalobolo for amadodana abo? Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. That brings us to the end of this video. Have a nice day. Bye.